My name is AWR1 Hadley Dykes. I am from Denver, Colorado, and I am assigned to Helicopter Maritime Strike Squadron 7-3. The factors that played a role in my selection as Sailor of the Year include leadership, my leadership, the opportunities that they developed for me, and the opportunities that I took, and then them recognizing that and submitting me for Sailor of the Year. Okay. Being a pack fleet sailor is extremely important to me. The Pacific Fleet's the tip of the spear as far as I'm concerned. It's built on supporting stability in the Pacific, improving relations, trade and commerce, and developing and enhancing the mission in that Pacific theater, including but not limited to having the right equipment at the right time in the right place.
What would it mean to you to win Sailor of the Year?
Winning Sailor of the Year would be a wonderful experience. It would mean a sort of justification for all of the hard work that my sailors have done this last year, and the things that we've done as a squadron and a community. Winning Sailor of the Year would be beyond words.
This is Julia.
Hi.
Julia,
Nice
how are
to meet
you?
you.
Nice to meet you. San Diego. Yes, ma'am. Coronado.
On three, 1, 2. All right.
Let's get all the spouses in there.
On these decks, and some were fearful they were not going to make it off this ship alive that day. With MacArthur's positive words, they do go ahead and begin signing those documents. The first two men to
innocent men, women, and children, non-combative. So again, very short service. Mark the great tragedy. It truly did mark the